ASMR. None of my use.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be making apple crumble.
Let's get to it.
So we're making apple crumble, this amazing dessert which basically consists of two parts, the filling and the crumble on top. So the filling consists of apples and some sugar, maybe some vanilla extract and cinnamon, and then also the crumble consists of oats, that's the main part, and then some sugar and some butter, and then put that together to create this amazing apple crumble dessert. Let's get to it.
Alright, so I have these 5 Granny Smith apples that are washed, and I'm going to go ahead and peel them. It really isn't about the look of the apple, it's more about the taste at the end. Alright, I'm now done, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these apples into thin slices. Thin slices. Alright, so while the apples are being cut, I'm going to be making the crumble part of the apple crumble. So we are going to be needing 2 cups of oats. So these are large flake oats. So this is what we're going to be using for this video. And we want to make sure that these are flat oats and not anything else, because flat oats just work a lot better with this recipe. What are you doing in here? What are you doing? Okay, come on, go there, come on. Okay, then we're gonna put in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. All right, then we are gonna add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then we're gonna give this a quick mix. We want to make sure that there are no brown sugar clumps in here, because we just want to have a nice smooth consistency. Then we are gonna melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and then add that straight in. So we're gonna add this unsalted melted butter in. And just mix this in. It just really gives us nice thicker consistency. So then we add it on top of the apples later, and it's just perfect. So mix that in. All right, we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, so this is perfect, and now we are going to move on to finishing the apples. All right, so I finished cutting these apples, all 5 of them. It took a long time. And now I'm gonna add them in. I washed my hands, so it's fine. I'm gonna add them into this bowl. And now I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of brown sugar into the apples. As well as a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Get everything in there. Assembly time. We are going to add in a cup of this crumble mixture into the apple mixture, just so we can get a little bit of that in there and just make the consistency a little bit better. So there's a couple of scoops, about a cup. You don't actually have to measure this, but yeah. So go and just mix that in. Okay, then we are going to add in this apple mixture first into this pan. So just add this in. Perfect. and then just spread this around. All right, then we are going to add this crumble mixture right on top and just spread it out evenly. All right, we're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so before we put it in the oven, if you would like to, you can get some brown sugar and you can just sprinkle it on your apple crumble. It's really nice, you know, adds a little sweetness and it's like a cool garnish. And then we can go ahead and put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Alright, so we just tried our apple crumble. It was really good because we could actually taste like the balance between the apples and the filling. And yeah, here are some zoom ups on what our apple crumble looked like. And yeah, so just these are some zoom ups. And so yeah, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing as it'll really help us out. And yeah, I'll make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, as well as subscribing to this channel. And yeah, we'll see you next time. And also make sure to check our Instagram and website linked below. Bye. 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 Woo!